Earlier this year, those of us in the gas industry lost a very dear friend, Tom Dunn. Tom was one of those unique individuals who made everyone feel as if they were one of his best friends. It didn't matter your status in life, from the President of the United States to a worker on a drilling rig, he treated you well. He had extraordinary respect in our industry, and it extended from the smallest producer to the largest, from the service company to the interstate pipeline, from the new hire to leaders of corporations. He was active in numerous trade associations, civic causes, and a leader in many of them. Quiet much of the time, he always took in conversation, and when he talked, like the old E.F. Hutton commercial, people listened. Tom was one of those guys who lived life to its fullest. He was a practical joker, a cigar smoker, a golfer, and social drinker. Very social, in fact. Most of all, he was fun to be around. Tom had many passions. They started with this family and they extended to the natural gas industry and ultimately to his alma mater, where numerous plaques bear the names of Tom and his wife Carol, reflecting the extreme generosity they bestowed on West Virginia Wesleyan.